and welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through sign up process for Genius. To learn doing so, watch the video till the end. If you are not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates. To sign up to Genius, first go to your web browser and type www.signupgenius.com and enter. From the official page, click on Create a Sign Up on the top right or from the middle of the screen. On the next page, you'll need to register yourself. Enter your first name first and then your last name. Next, type in a valid email address. After that, create a password for your account. While creating your password must meet these criteria mentioned below. If your password match the certain criteria, you'll see a green tick mark over here. Click on I'm not a robot down below. And finally, click on Register Now. And then you'll be signed up to Genius. Go to your Gmail on the next tab and you'll be sent a message from Genius. Tap on Open the message and click on Activate your account. You can see that you have successfully activated your account. Now it is asking you to log in to continue. Enter your email, enter the password. Click on Remember Me if you want the app to remember you. And finally, click on the Login button. And you can see that you are being welcomed to Genius. You can fill in the informations asked to you right now, one by one, or you can choose to ask you later. And you have successfully signed up to Genius. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to say to us, comment down below. I'll be back again with more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.